In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0805 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. That will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. So just simply follow the on-screen instructions. After running the troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next thing that you can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Simply type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. If this is 100% completed or the process or the scan has been successful, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then again, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. And copy these two commands which will be posted in the description box below to restart the Windows Update services. Control V. Hit Enter. Now type Exit. Hit Enter. Then right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.